Hello guys, welcome to a favorite YouTube channel, TechMachine. In this video, I am going to show you how can enable the inbuilt calculator in Microsoft Word. And if you want to enable or disable on-screen keyboard, so press this I button on the top right corner of the video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, we will open Microsoft Word. After that, we will go to this option and then we will click on more commands. After clicking on more commands, click on customize and then you will see commands here. After that, these are popular commands. You have to change it and click on all commands, and then you have to search calculate here. So here is calculate and click on add and then click on OK. So you write some calculation here, some numbers here. It's 200 plus 900 minus. Then drag it and then click on this button. It will appear here after doing these steps, and calculation will come here, result of the calculation. I am the way your son don't need. And I will give you another example here. You have to do the same, drag it, go to, and the answer is this. Another example. Same procedure, drag, click, and here's the answer. Another. So here is the answer of this question. Subscribe my channel TechMachine, give a like, and do not forget to press the bell icon. And if you want to see my 2 more videos, then click on these 2 boxes and share this video with your family and friends. So thank you.